Why should you fall in love with broccoli? Today I'm going to share with you the 5 best health benefits of broccoli. My name is Peggy Schirmer from peggyschirmer.com. Welcome to Gut Feelings, the channel to support you to heal your digestion so you have all the vibrant energy you need to share your gifts with the world. And today's theme is about one of my favorite vegetables, broccoli. And this vegetable is part of the cruciferous family. It's also known as the cabbage family. Other prominent plants are cabbage, Brussels sprouts, Swiss chard, kale, and cauliflower. All of these guys are amazing vegetables, but broccoli is one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables that you have on planet Earth. And that's why we're going to talk about that today, the 5 health benefits. Did you know that broccoli is not only loaded with vitamins like vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin A, B complex, but also with minerals? There's zinc, potassium, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus. But the best thing is that this vegetable is a source of really awesome protein that your body can absorb very well, digest easily. It also contains a lot of fiber, and you just see the green color. It's just so alive. So let's get started and look into what are the 5 health benefits, the top 5 health benefits of broccoli. Number 1, if you're suffering from allergies, may it be seasonal allergies, may it be food allergies, allergies to mold or animal hair sensitivity, one of the best things you can do is eat broccoli, because broccoli contains natural antihistamines which help to lower the reaction in your body. Health benefit number 2 comes from the sulfur components which are naturally contained in broccoli. And these sulfur components help to build collagen. And collagen is very key for improving your skin, for having beautiful hair, having strong fingernails, but also to help with joint pain, arthritis, things like that. They are all related to sulfur and to collagen. So make sure you get this vegetable into your diet as much as possible. Health benefit number 3, and this is a major one. A lot of us suffer from this serious disease our times, and this is cancer. Broccoli has shown in medical studies to help prevent breast cancer, colon cancer, stomach cancer, prostata cancer, and even skin cancer. Health benefit number 4, broccoli is awesome for your nervous system. Broccoli doesn't only help to ease off things like migraines, but it also helps to sharpen your cognitive abilities. If you want to focus more, you want to be more productive, eat more broccoli. It's easy to be digested and really boosts this mental capacities of yours. There are also studies which showed that it helps to prevent Alzheimer and dementia diseases. So if you know somebody in the family, do something good for them and cook them a meal of broccoli. And last but not least, one of my favorite health benefits of broccoli is health benefit number 5. Broccoli is immensely beneficial for your gut health. It helps to fight off H. pylori, which often causes this digestive discomfort. It's great if you suffer from constipation. It contains a lot of fiber, which starts to cleanse your intestinal tract and move out those bacteria, those infections that you're carrying around with you for maybe many years. And great news for everybody who wants to lose some pounds around the waistline. Also, broccoli is great because of the fiber. It makes you feel fuller, and of course it helps with detoxifying your body, which is mainly done by your liver, which then has a good effect on how well you can get rid of those extra fat cells. Okay guys, well, if you're now excited about broccoli as I am, I've created a recipe which is very hearty. Your family will like it, your friends will like it, even kids are going crazy for that. I just did that at a birthday party and people were really like, oh my god, I want the recipe, and it's so easy. It's done in 15 minutes and it's an alternative to the classical American mac and cheese. It's vegan and it's based on broccoli. So make sure you check out that video if you haven't seen that yet. And I wish you a beautiful day. Eat more broccoli, stay healthy. See you soon. Bye bye. And PS guys, if you want to join in the conversation, share your favorite health benefit of broccoli or your favorite recipe. I'm curious to hear from you. Let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you in the next video.